Hi everyone, I'm very excited about this next live trading webinar, which is going to take us right up to and including the US election. And the reason is there's a lot of opportunities. You can see some of them on the screen that we'll be monitoring. We will go through what's happening with the NASDAQ, when we can short, when the opportunities arise for that. And if we don't get the right direction, hey, guess what? Doesn't last long, and then we do get the profits from the falls. How do we short those things? What about the FTSE? What about currencies as well? So if we look at the FTSE, we've got a great run downwards, which has allowed us to sell short, sell high, and then buy back cheaply lower to profit from that. But what does that mean for maybe individual stocks? Hey, what if we don't want to do that? What if we want to stay out and look at some of the currency trades that are available there, such as the trades around sterling at this time, somewhat removed from the US election? So we'll look at all of this and the practices and strategies that some of the leading traders in the world adopt, that we adopt as a hedge fund as well, that private investors should learn from to improve their know-how of trading and to protect themselves from ignorance of not knowing how to trade professionally. And we're going to show it on a regular private investor platform such as this, so that you're not having to pay anything extra for software and subscriptions. None of that, just a great webinar with free education throughout it. Okay, so join me on the webinar live to see live trading and strategies being implemented, which will allow you to improve your trading. Thank you.